Hi, this is Zak Mir with the Crypto Rises for Thursday, the 21st of March here at Zak's Traders Cafe. Starting off with Dogecoin, and here obviously the pullback that most cryptos have had in the second half of March. But the good news here is that we found support above the rising 50-day line. Tends to be a leading indicator on the upside, as is the way that support was found above the old 10-cent level as well, 10 cents rather, looking for a retest of the 20 cents area, hopefully by the end of next month, while we're above that 50-day line at 12 cents. Moving on to a less famous market, but you never know, this may be the next one. Here we've got Bosun and rising trend channel that we drew last time we looked at this. Top of the channel there from October, heading for the low 50s, so around 52 cents. And we're looking for that over the next couple of weeks, especially while we remain above the recent support and old resistance around the 34 cents level. So above 34, looking for 52 there on Bosun. Another market which may have legs is coming up now, CFG, Centrifuge, and here we've hit the top of that rising trend channel that we had, that target there from the end of October. So the old resistance line there to around the 96 cents. Above 96 cents, we're looking for a fresh leg up, the upper parallel of that rising trend channel, and that could take this market as high as $1.33 by the end of next month. Ideally, we stay on the right side of the 85 cents level, and even better, above 90, but 85, the old resistance, and hopefully that'll become new support. Moving on to Dusk, and here you can see that it's another rebound, bear trap rebound, with the following the fall that we had, the late March fall, let's call it. Looking for this market to hit the top of that rising trend channel from back in October as high as 50 cents, and looking for that over the next couple of weeks or even sooner. Ideally, we stay above 35 cents again, or 36 cents in fact, which was the old resistance back in February. A more famous name coming up now in the form of Flocky, and here you can see, or Floki, here you can see that we've bounced back from that pullback. That was our old target there around 0.19, looking for 0.30 or up to the 30 level there to retest the March resistance, ideally early in April, maybe by the first week of April or even sooner, the way things are going at the moment. Obviously the key here is to stay above the 20 level in the meantime. We're almost looking at this next market every day, and it is Meta Apes, and here you can see that we're still consolidating at the lower levels, but above the 50-day moving average. That is currently around the 1.3 cents level, and looking for the big break really here of the 3 cents level to get us up to 6 cents, hopefully by the end of next month. But obviously quite a tall order, even though this market can move quickly as it did back at the beginning of the month, when it went from around 1.5 cents towards the 6 cents level. On to Moon, and here the market had a great start to the March, but obviously we're consolidating at the moment. Looks like we're in a mid-move consolidation, and that's within a rising trend channel which has been in place since back in August. Top of the channel there, heading towards the 95 cents level, looking for that perhaps as soon as the end of next month, although obviously after recent days maybe a bit of a consolidation is due. Upside valid once again while we're above the 35 cents level, the floor of the latest bull flag. A market which looks rather healthy at the moment, in contrast maybe to some of the other ones we've been looking at, is Ondo. Here we've hit our initial target at the top of that rising trend channel there from back in January, and that target there around the 74 cents level, end of day close or weekly close above that. We're looking for the upper parallel of that channel as high as $1.06, ideally by the end of next month. We'd like to see this market stay on the right side of the early March resistance around 65 cents in the meantime. New market to look at now, Orbit Chain, and here looked at this yesterday. Nice bounce off the floor of this falling channel. We were looking for up to the 2.2 cents area versus around 1.75 at the moment. Hopefully we'll get that by the end of this month. Best case would be up to 4 cents by the end of next month. New name for us coming up now, which is Opulus. And here we have a situation where looks like a decent trending situation. Already hit the top of that rising trend channel from back in the latter, well, I suppose the spring last year. The line there actually running through 23 cents, so that's the initial target or initial retest area above 23 cents on an end of day close basis, looking for up to 32 cents at that March 2023 resistance line projection. Ideally, we'd like to see no closes back below the 19 cents area, which was that old peak back in December. On to another market which may be worth giving a follow to, which is Polymesh. Here, beautiful vertical move over the last couple of sessions, bouncing off a rising 50-day moving average there around the 20 cents level, looking for 50 cents, hopefully well before the end of this month, especially while we remain above recent, well, today's support there around the 34 cents mark. So it looks relatively simple. On to the last three. First one market we have looked at just in the last few days, prop chain, and here the rising trend channel had a little flurry to the upside through the $3.50 area, but probably want to see $3, an end of day close through $3.50 to give us the ultimate $4.50 target, ideally by the end of next month, and really want this market to stay on the right side of $3 at the moment. Tornado, another frequent flyer here, and here you can see that looking good above our first target there, which is around $2.80. Above that, looking for the top of that wider rising trend channel from back in July last year. That's promising us up to $4.80 by the end of next month, and ideally a bit sooner than that. If we're really lucky, it'd be by the end of this month. Finishing off in rather quieter style perhaps with TrueFire. Here you can see the breakout within a rising trend channel from November. Top of the channel there heading for around the 12 cents level, and we're looking for that while we're above recent resistance just under 8 cents. So above 8, looking for 12 there at TrueFire. That's it for me today. More updates tomorrow.